Are you getting Discord black screen while opening Discord? So sometimes this black screen comes up on my Discord, sometimes Discords open up, and this is creating a very big problem. So watch this video till the end because I am going to give you the best fixes. So the first fix is to kill all the running Discord processes. For this, you need to open Task Manager first. You can see in processes, you can see these four Discord processes are going on. Select them one by one and task them. If you still run into the black screen issue when using Discord, then go to the next fixes. So the next method is to switch to the Windows mode. So now you can see this is a full screen mode. Sometimes black screen happens because of full screen mode as well. You can simply press Ctrl Shift and F. You can see now it is in Windows mode. So you can use this window mode and you can use Discord and it will not show black screen again. The next method is to update Discord. It is important to update Discord's updates on a regular basis. How you can do it? You can see this is the Discord logo. Right click on this and you can see check for update. Just click on this and update all latest updates for Discord. Next step is to update your graphic drivers. Corrupted graphic drivers or outdated graphic drivers may cause black screen issue while running or streaming Discord. So make sure to update them. You can go to your device manager or you can go to any online software and update your graphic drivers. You need to clear your Discord cache folder as well. So first of all, you need to open Windows R. To simply press in %app data % and click on OK. Now herein you need to find Discord. Simply right click on this and delete this file. The next step is to run Discord as an administrator. You can simply type in Discord, right click on this and click it run as administrator. If the problem still persists, I would request you to uninstall Discord completely by going to Program Manager in Control Panel and reinstall Discord. I hope this video helped you a lot. In case you find this video useful, just hit on the like button and subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos. Bye bye friends, take care.